Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. Welcome to Bible Falsehood Exposure, and this is the fifth episode on Saint Paul's background according to the Bible. The last verse that I have given you is actually the 2 Corinthians 12:16, and it says here that being crafty I caught you with guile. This is now after conversion. People will say maybe this is before conversion. No, just read the context of the Bible and you will see this is now after the conversion. It is said here that I caught you with guile. In the BBE it says here, but being fake, I took you with deceit. He took you with deceit. So I am asking you, are you the victim of the deceit of Paul? But you know, the Bible writers just insert this again, the italics one, just for the purpose that is not anymore Paul who said it. Just to divert the point of impact. Actually, it was Paul who said, I caught you with guile, in the other version. But in some version, this one is actually intended to be inserted for the purpose of actually make the impact not so serious, no? Because it's not anymore Paul who said it, but others. No? Someone may say. Now, in the CAV version, maybe that's because I was trying to catch you off guard and trick you. No, this is, he wants to trick you. He wants you to catch you off guard. Oh my friend, this is the real Paul, and I want to let you know that just be clever. Maybe Paul had already victimized you, or maybe you are still on the position to be victimized by Paul on his trickiness. In the ERV, it is clear, I was not a burden to you, but I think, but you think that I was tricky and used lies to catch you. Here, these times, this one, the you, refers now to the some people. Some people that Paul said that you think that I was tricky and used lies to catch you. This is now after the conversion. In the Tagalog, Tagalog, very catchy. Tagalog speaking people. Kung hindi dahil sa pagkatuso ko, kayo'y hinuli ko sa daya. Ang tanong ko sa mga Filipino, nahuli ba kayo sa daya ni Paul? Oh my God, this is very intriguing. This is something, I took you with deceit. I was trying to catch you off guard and trick you. This is actually a claim of Paul, and this is after the conversion. Very strange, my friend. I do not know whether you have read this or your pastor tells you differently. Okay? Again, this is the real Paul. If you want to see it, the author of the American Standard Version, I am the low spiritual and I am carnal, sold under sin. This is how Paul went to himself. But I am merely a human. I have been sold and enslaved to sin. Of course, we are human and we are sinners. In the next verse of this one, 7:15, for which I know not. For not what I do, that do I practice, but what I hate, that I do. No? What I hate, that I do. What Paul hates, this is what he did. But what he would like to practice, no? I want to he that I do practice, no? Not what I would, that do I practice. My friend, this is things very very clear. So it's in the BBE. In the BBE, I have no clear knowledge of what I am doing. For that which I have in mind to do, I do not. He cannot do what is in his mind. But what I hate, I have hate for that I do. This is the real Paul. Very. I just want to laugh on these things. No, Paul wants to. What he hates is that what he do, but the things that he wants to do, he cannot. Okay. I don't do the good I want to do, and I do the evil I hate. Oh, my friend, this is the real Paul. And this is after the conversion. Huh? This is after the conversion. People said this is before. No, just read and see these things. That this is after the conversion. Huh? Okay, another verse. Sa Tagalog, in Tagalog, no? Sapagkat ang ginagawa ko, hindi ko nalalaman, sapagkat ang hindi ko ibig, ang ginagawa ko. Datapwat, ang kinapuputan ko, yaon ang ginagawa ko. What I hate, that I do. No? For not what I would, that do I practice. Oh, my friend, this is very interesting. This is very interesting. Another verse. Just continue. For what I would not, that I do. I consent unto the law that is good. You see? I don't know. I don't do what I know is right. I don't know. Although I don't know what I do what I know is right, I agree that the law is good. This is actually about the law and about Paul. Paul actually said that the law is not good. The reason why he do only what is not in the law, because he is not under the law. Again another. Just read for yourself this kind of verses. The Romans 7:14 up to 19, or up to the last verse, and you will see, you will understand